Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving deep into Phemex's trading fees. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this review will give you all the insights you need to manage your trading costs effectively. And don't forget, you can use the Phemex referral code JIYBQ7 to get some amazing bonuses. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about Phemex itself. Phemex is a professional and trustworthy global cryptocurrency and derivatives trading platform known for its competitive fee structure. But what makes Phemex's fees stand out? Phemex employs a tiered fee system where the fees decrease as your trading volume increases or if you participate in their VIP program. This structure is designed to reward active traders. For spot trading, Phemex offers some of the lowest fees in the industry. The base fee for both market makers and takers is 0.1%. These fees can be reduced through the VIP program, which offers discounts based on trading volume. Phemex also has a competitive fee structure for futures trading. Market makers are charged a 0.01% fee, while market takers pay 0.06%. VIP members can benefit from even lower fees. When it comes to margin trading, the base fee is similar to spot trading at 0.1%, but interest is also charged based on the amount borrowed. Phemex provides detailed information on how these fees are calculated, ensuring transparency. Leverage tokens allow you to trade with leverage without the risk of liquidation. The fees for these tokens include a management fee and a daily rebalancing fee, which are clearly outlined on Phemex's platform. Phemex offers a variety of trading bots that can help automate your trading strategies. These bots incur the same trading fees as regular spot trading, but you can get discounts if you use PT to pay the fees. Phemex does not charge any fees for deposits, but withdrawal fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency. These fees are generally competitive and reflect the network costs of transferring the funds. To maximize your savings on Phemex, consider joining the VIP program or using PT to pay for your trading fees. VIP users enjoy lower fees across all trading activities, and using PT can give you significant discounts. Compared to other major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, Phemex stands out for its low fees and the additional discounts available through its VIP program and PT payments. This makes Phemex a highly cost-effective option for active traders. Users generally praise Phemex for its low fees and comprehensive fee structure. Many appreciate the transparency and the ability to significantly reduce fees through higher trading volumes and participation in the VIP program. To wrap it up, Phemex offers a highly competitive fee structure that benefits both casual and high-volume traders. Its tiered system, coupled with the potential discounts from the VIP program, makes it one of the most attractive exchanges in terms of trading costs. Don't forget to use the referral code JIYBQ7 when you sign up to get some great bonuses and kickstart your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy trading!